Ева, успокойся. Ты сама потому что боишься, я знаю. Еще что ты мне говоришь?
Я тоже боюсь. Даже я боюсь. Даже я.
Ев. Вы готовы? Давай. Вот сюда вставайте, вот здесь, вот сюда. К телевизору. Вот тебе будет рассказывать здесь.
Все впало у нас. Сейчас все упадет, все рухнет. Все, мы умрем.
Перестань меня пугать. Что она меня пугает?
Она мне
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You just crossed over into the Twilight Zone.
Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. The time is now, on an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story in the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Нет.
One in a million chance. I think Я не думаю сломается.
No, 3.
Three? Three. All three in writing.
3, number 5. How many here?
Да.
Number 6, please.
Что делать?
Что делать? Испаночек. Придется
Если я
тебе
ходить не
чуть-чуть.
буду потом.
Not our fault.
Я думала, он пойдет с нами.
Так я тоже подумала, что он пойдет с вами.
Франческа с
ride alone? Okay, no.
Не, я не пойду.
Welcome to the Hollywood Tower Hotel. In just a moment, your service elevator will be dropping in. Once it arrives, please do not enter until I call your row number. We're going to start with 6, end with 1. Once you're seated, seatbelts go left to right, bags go on the floor, and please hold on to anyone or anything you wish to keep.
To our valued guests, for your safety once on board, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the elevator at all times. And do take special care to supervise your children. Thank you. Estimados huéspedes, por su seguridad, una vez a bordo, por favor, permanezcan sentados y mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del elevador en todo momento.
5 back right.
Y por favor,
4 middle left.
Давай, 5. Мишель первая, я... Не, давай, Мишель, ты иди первая.
Первая, ты будешь там.
Давай, быстрее. Не.
хочу быть здесь, я не хочу быть по сторонам, я хочу быть посередине, я не могу. А я вообще хочу.
Так, все,
You are the passengers in a most uncommon elevator about to ascend into your very own episode of The Twilight Zone.
Приз в этот.
Это реально история?
Мы придумали. Держи столько хорошо, да.
One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and into a nightmare.
Ногами упрется туда.
That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you. You are about to discover what lies beyond the fifth dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of your imagination, in the Tower of Terror.
Да не есть, он съел.
Просто опять упадет.
A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Ladies and gentlemen, please get in.
This really old hotel, so you go in. There's this room with a television, and then like the lights go out like really fast, and they're like you're about to enter the Twilight Zone. So I'm like sitting there like crying there. So I'm like sitting there like.
Это как китайский театр в Голливуде сделан. Ев, не оттирай все эти, пожалуйста. Слышишь? Вот здесь работает.
Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how we're gonna make it happen. Let's take a ride and spend a day in the countryside.
Good times are here to stay. We'll get away and have a perfect picnic. We'll sing a song, and absolutely nothing will go wrong. Now we're heading down the open highway, and I'm glad you're going my way. Everything is just so peachy keen.
Hi, Goofy.
Howdy. Beautiful day for a picnic.
Yup, we're off to the park.
See y'all there.
Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how we could have any trouble.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there.
Oh, me?
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Seems like a lot of paperwork for sure.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
That's here for Goofy! Head on into the cartoon, friends. Enjoy.
Give me 1 second. I'm gonna have you wait right behind this yellow line.
This one looks
How many cooks?
Testing. This thing on. Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hey, making me up.
Sure to take good care of our friends.
Gosh, bear with me. What could possibly go wrong?
Oh no! I must have hit that track switch. This is all my fault.
Oh no! It's jumping the track!
Minnie, let's get that runaway train.
positions. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent! You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's conga!
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.